Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about the 5 guidelines for disconnection of compound. Now today, I shall discuss one group CX disconnection. In this disconnection, we need only one functional group to know the position of disconnection. The functional group may be amide, amine, ether, ester and sulfide. The CX indicates that we disconnect a bond joining carbon to heteroatom. Here X may be nitrogen or sulfur or oxygen. Then if the heteroatom nitrogen is present, therefore the disconnection is known as C-N disconnection. When oxygen is present, the disconnection is known as CO disconnection, and when sulfur is present, then disconnection is known as CS disconnection. RX disconnection here means CX disconnection. Two fragments obtain R plus and X minus, that is called synthone. These are also electrophile and this is also nucleophile, and by adding some negative species to this synthone we obtain synthetic equivalent RY, and by adding some positive species to this synthone we obtain XH synthetic equivalent. Therefore this is the synthetic equivalent for this R plus and this is the synthetic equivalent for X minus. Now disconnection of carbonyl derivatives. Since the carbonyl derivatives are frequently used for the synthesis of organic compound, therefore the CX disconnection in carbonyl derivative, here disconnection between C and X, two fragment RCO plus and X minus is obtained on by adding some negative part to this CO plus we obtain synthetic equivalent RCOY, and by adding some positive part to this X minus we obtain XH, and by joining these two synthetic equivalent we obtain the compound RCOX, that is the target molecule. In case of esters, here this is the ester and this ester is used for insect repellent and for solvent. Here we first recognize the functional group. Here the ester is the functional group and therefore the disconnection should be carried out from this to this, and we can say carbon oxygen disconnection, and due to carbon oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, therefore the two species formed PHCH2O minus and this carbon acquire positive charge, therefore PHC plus O double bond O species. These two synthones are obtained by disconnection of this CO group. Here on adding positive part to this O minus we obtain synthetic equivalent PHCH2OH, and by adding some negative part, this positive part, we obtain PHCOBr, and by adding this synthetic equivalent which is obtained by the disconnection of esters, these are the synthetic equivalent, and therefore the reaction of benzyl alcohol with benzoyl bromide gives the target molecule, this one. In case of amide, also CX disconnection is present. Here CN disconnection is carried out because the CONH group is present in the structure. The carbon atom is joined to heteroatom nitrogen, and therefore here disconnection takes place. The two fragments obtained by the disconnection, this one and this one, this synthone converted to synthetic equivalent by adding some positive part to this nitrogen and by adding some negative part to this carbon. Therefore, these are the synthetic equivalent of these two fragment that is the synthon. Now, these molecule can also be disconnected further, but the disconnection of amine is very difficult. Therefore, we take here FGI, functional group interconversion. We disconnect nitro compound in place of amino compound. Therefore, we convert the in mental. This is because of the mental approach. So, we mentally convert the NH2 group to NO2 group. Here we write reduction to it here this direction, but it is not true. Reduction is this direction because on synthesis we going to this one to this one. Therefore, this in disconnection it write as reverse opposite. Here we disconnect nitro group in place of amino group. Therefore, the C and disconnection is takes place here, and on disconnection we obtain this type of the compound. This is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. And on synthesis, this is the starting material for the synthesis, and we know that the 1,2-dichlorobenzene also nitrated and gives this type of the compound. This is obtained during the disconnection of here, and which on reduction gives the amino compound and ethanoyl chloride, and this on reaction gives propanil. This is the BD side, and this on reaction with NH2. These are the synthetic equivalent for the synthesis of propanil. So this react with this compound and gives the propanil. Now in ethers, here this is the ether gardenia perfume compound, and here we have two choice A and choice B. If we take choice A, then these two type of the synthons is obtained, and when we take choice B, then these two synthons obtained. On adding negative part to this synthon, we obtain synthetic equivalent, and by adding positive part to this synthon, we obtain this synthetic equivalent. But here, because of the choice, which procedure we should take the procedure B, because in A procedure the elimination is occurred. Therefore, due to B disconnection is better than the A disconnection, and we obtain this fragment and this synthetic equivalent. And by adding this fragment, this is the starting material for this target molecule. Therefore, the 3-methyl butanol in presence of a strong base form the anion of this type, and which on reaction with PHCH2Cl gives the target molecule ether. In case of sulfides, here this is the chlorbenzide, which is used for killing the ticks and mites, and here the disconnection takes place at next to heteroatom according to guideline second, and CS disconnection is carried out. Therefore, here we write CS sulfide because the sulfide functional group is present here. And then on disconnection, two fragment, this and this is obtained. This is synthon. Here carbon and sulfur. Sulfur is heteroatom and sulfur is more electronegative than carbon. Therefore, this synthon gets negative charge and carbon is less electronegative than sulfur. Therefore, here positive charge is created. This synthon supplied by the synthetic equivalent by adding some positive part to this sulfur atom SH, and by adding some negative part to this positively charged carbon atom. Therefore, here Cl is added, and on synthesis, this synthetic equivalent, which is the starting material for the chlorobenzide, is on joining, it gives the chlorobenzide. Thank you.